15 years ago, I started my journey to make money online, and back then it was extremely difficult to get started. Now with AI, I'm surprised at how quickly we can get a business started. In fact, it's actually scary. And what I want to do in this tutorial is show you exactly how you can use AI right now to make money online and get your own business started literally within minutes. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm absolutely blown away at AI right now. It's crazy what you can do with this stuff, and I want to show you how to make money with it because there's so many people making money with it right now online, but it's going extremely fast, so you are going to get left behind. So I'm going to show you in this video a method that you can use to make money with AI, and this is actually pretty underground. Not a lot of people are doing this exact method right now, and I'm going to explain to you everything in detail, step by step, so you can start your own business using AI online right now. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump into this tutorial. But first, we are still giving away access to my courses. What you need to do is smash that like button, find the emoji in this video, comment below what that emoji is, and you could potentially win access. Let's jump into the tutorial and I'll show you how to make money with AI. Be quick because you could potentially be getting left behind. Let's go. All right, guys, this AI stuff is completely insane. I've been making money online and been in the online space for around about 14 years now, and I've never seen anything like this. It's insanely easy to start a business now because of AI. And it's much easier to make money now because of AI as well. Now we're down here in 2023, and they are predicting that this is going to be the market size for AI in USA alone in the next kind of 7 years. That's insane. And we can start early in this stage and we can get ourselves set up so we can go ahead and ride this insane wave that is AI, artificial intelligence, and we can go ahead and make money online and start our own businesses using artificial intelligence, which makes things so much easier, as you're gonna see in this video. And we can get some of the content done within minutes. It's absolutely insane. So you're gonna wanna jump on this right now because this is how people are gonna be making tons of money in the future. If you don't jump on this boat, you could potentially miss out on such a great opportunity. So let's get started. What we're going to be focusing in this tutorial is something called a content creation agency. And I'll come back and we'll explain all of that in a second on this board. So we're going to focus on two specific AI softwares in this video. Number one is called AdCreative.ai, and then the other one is called InVideo AI. So first of all, let's go back to this one and I'll explain to you exactly what this is and show you how to use this in a second. What this is an AI social tool that creates social advertising ads literally within minutes that we can go ahead and use and we can make money from, which I'll show you how to make money from these in a second. So this is a test run I just did and it gave me 100 ads that I could use on social media, different creatives that I could split test. So let me show you exactly how this works. This is the back end. I'm going to go to brands. And what I've done is I've done what's called create a brand. And this is my brand here. And I just put in one of my own websites, which is my course, a dropshipping course, because it's a business. And we're going to use that. So pretend that my website, Ecom Elites, this one right here, is a business, and I'm going out and I'm trying to create advertising ads. So I've gone ahead and I've created the brand, which is what you need to do. And to create the brand, you just go ahead and go to brands and you go create a brand and you add the website. Once you've done that, you click on it, and then we are going to click on it again, and it's going to go generate ad creatives. And so I'm going to put in here ad format. And we can do post size, we can do landscape for like LinkedIn, we can do story size for Instagram and Facebook, we can do vertical size, we can do pin sizes for Pinterest. We're just going to do a basic post one and we're going to go to next. And then what it's going to also ask us is a few things, okay? It's going to essentially ask us for some text that we have to generate for the ad. So I'm going to go generate text. And what I do is I go ahead and get my website here. I copy the link. I go back to here and I post it into here. And I just go scan my website. Now, I'm going to talk about how you can make money with this soon, because obviously you're not going to have your own website or anything like that, but we can do this for other people's websites. And what it's done is it's taken the information from that page. And I'm going to go save and generate. It's insane, this AI stuff. I'm just blown away at how easy it is to start a business online now. And so what it's done is it's taken some text from my website, ready to start your online empire, unlock your e-commerce success, start now, and then there's a call to action, okay? And it gives us this blank ad that we have to, it's kind of like generated it now, and then we have to go put an image on. And what we need to do is choose an image. Now you can upload your own image, or I'm going to go search library. And I'm going to search their database, and I'm going to put in e-commerce because that's what my course is about, e-commerce. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one here, which is a free image. And then watch how crazy this is, guys. I'm going to go create post, and I'm going to let it do its thing. And I'm going to come back when it's done in about 2 minutes. All right, guys. So now this has come back with 100 different ad copies, and look at this. It's absolutely insane. So if I was to go and sell my course on Facebook, I would have 100 different adverts that I could go ahead and split test. For a business, this is very valuable. In fact, it's priceless, because for me, 3 years ago, when I was actually advertising my course on Facebook, I would literally have to spend hundreds of hours manually creating this stuff where I'd have to pay someone thousands of dollars to do it for me. But now I can do it with a push of a button. So how can we go ahead and make money with this? I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can do this. But first of all, I want to show you InVideo.ai. And what this is this creates AI videos for us. So we can actually use this as well. And if I go to here, I'm just going to give it a topic and get it to create a video for me. All right, so I've asked it to create a video promoting my e-commerce course, Ecom Elite, and I'm going to go generate video. Now, don't worry, all of this is going to make sense in a minute because we can use all of this to make money. Now, I'm just going to let it analyze, and while it's doing that, let's talk about how you can actually make money with this. But as you can see, I showed you exactly how you can go and create this stuff instantly. It's absolutely insane. So while this is creating its thing, let's talk about how you can actually make money with this. And this is quite important. So imagine you have what is called a content creation agency. Essentially, you're drop servicing like these AI services, essentially. So you have a customer. This is the customer here. You're going to advertise your services somewhere. I'll show you how you can do that in a second. And what you're going to do is you're going to advertise like a package, right? So for example, that package could be, I will create 50 different Facebook ads for you, right? We'll just say Facebook ads. And we'll do that for, I don't know, $200. So you'll go ahead and you'll sell that product, like that service, right? So you'll go ahead and sell them 50 Facebook ads for $200. Now you can see that I just went and created 100 Facebook ads instantly in about 2 minutes, just by putting a website in. So what they would do is they would give us all of the info that we need. So it might be like a website. Sorry about the terrible writing. It might be like a website, some details about their business. And we're going to get that information, and we're going to go ahead and take that information, and we're going to go and I'll just click continue on here. We're going to go ahead and plug it into this software, which is going to give us the ads. And so that's one way that we can do that. And we can multiply this. So we can do, we can do like Google ads. We can do YouTube ads. We can do Instagram ads. We can do LinkedIn ads. We can multiply this service 6, 7, 8 times, even 10 times. We can do Etsy ads. We can multiply this. Pinterest ads. It's just insane. Now, the next thing is we can also do a video package. So we could say, hey, we'll do 20 AI videos about your business. We'll just put V here for videos. And we could do that for like the same price, $200. Because the thing about advertising, what a lot of people don't really understand is when you are starting an advertisement as a business, especially nowadays with so much out there, so many people competing for the same space, rather than me go and pay for one video, I would rather pay for 20 or 30 videos at a cheaper price and have a bunch of videos to test rather than spend a lot of time on one video that might not even work. The same with advertising. And a lot of people really want this type of service. And I know they do because back in the day when I was paying for these types of services, I was paying thousands of dollars and we didn't have AI. I probably spent over $200,000 just on getting advertising images and videos created for just one of my businesses. So there is a lot of money to be made in this stuff. And I believe this is probably one of the lower barrier to entry kind of services that you can do. There's not much of a barrier here because you only really need to have this software and this software here that creates videos. If you want to do the videos, we'll take that away. If you want to do the videos, you could just do ads like these images. And then also, just as a side note, right? So this specific software, they do multiple types of things, right? So if we go to projects here and we go and we create, we'll go generate. There's different types. You can do ad creatives, social creatives, text ads, batch creatives. So we can do like batches, ad packages. So we can do ad packages, which is insane. So that'll be like multiple, like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And then coming soon, they're going to do product ads, which will be very good for e-commerce customers. And they're going to do video ads as well. So you could probably eliminate this video software here once they actually bring out video ads, and you can just use this one software. Now, the big question, how do you actually make money from this? I'm going to recommend a couple of ways. Ultimately, at the end of all of this, you want to have your own landing page, your own website, like essentially like this. Like this is a social media marketing agency, but just think of it as a content creation agency instead. At the end goal is to go and have your own website, your own business, your own landing page, selling those services. And this is just something I've put up as an example, right? So this is just an example. Just now, this is social media marketing, but just think of it as social creation agency instead. Same thing, just you're not running ads and stuff, you're just creating the content. But this is the end goal. But how do you get started if you don't have any money and stuff like that, and you don't want to go and create a website and build a business just yet? Before we get into that, we'll just check our video that we created. So this software has literally created a video that I could potentially use for my business. It's going to stop that. But it's created me a 2-minute video that I could use. But if I'm actually selling these, so companies will come to me, I can create videos that they can run on advertising within about 5 minutes. So just think about the potential here. So next, how would you go and promote this as a beginner? First of all, there's 3 ways. I would recommend going and starting a Fiverr account and starting your business on Fiverr. What you would go ahead and do is start these kind of like packages here. Facebook and Instagram ad creatives, 3 images, 2 copies, 5 headlines. You can use ChatGPT to create headlines, or you can do just images. That is one of the places I would recommend you get started. And you can also do videos and all sorts of things. The next would be Upwork.com. So on Upwork, go ahead and put in something like content creation. And as you can see, this guy will create content for $10 an hour, $75 an hour, that's crazy, $20 an hour, $15 an hour, $30 an hour, $150, that's nuts. That's probably like video. $40 an hour, $25 an hour. Honestly, a lot of these people are going to be out of a job soon because we can do this with AI. So Upwork is one of the other places that I would highly recommend you go to start making money with this business. The next one, you could also use Etsy and you could create advertising like templates. Now, the problem with this is it's not really like personalized or anything like that. You're essentially just putting a whole bunch of templates together. We can't really do that with this specific platform, because this platform was more about taking someone's business, putting it into this, and then letting it write the ads around that business. So I would recommend Fiverr to start with, and then Upwork as well. Maybe Etsy. Let's just get rid of Etsy. We don't really... It's okay if you want to do a bunch of templates. And then the end goal is to eventually have your own website where you can charge a premium and you have your own customers coming in to create this type of content. All right, guys, so that is what's called a content creation agency. You are an agency creating content for businesses, influencers, and pretty much anybody that needs content. You can use something like this, which creates content for us. This is an AI tool. And then you can also use what's in video, which creates videos as well, which I just showed you right here. And then you can go ahead and sell them and start your own content creation agency. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.